Okay, watch this number. Right now it's strong, but I'm going to walk away from it and we will see that in real time the number is increasing. This is LoRa range test. Let's see how far it actually goes. Before we get into it, here's everything I'm using for this build. An Arduino Uno, an ESP32, two of these LoRa modules, an I2C LCD display, and just some basic stuff like breadboard, jumper wires, and a couple of resistors. One of these modules sits with the Arduino as the receiver with the LCD attached, and the other one goes with the ESP32, and that one's going mobile. I am powering it off a power bank so I can just walk away with it. I won't go through every single wire on camera, that would be boring for both of us, but here's what the full connection diagram looks like, and I will also link the diagram and the complete code in the GitHub gist in the description if you want to follow along exactly. The code itself is pretty short. The ESP32 just sends a small ping packet every couple of seconds. The Arduino listens for it, and whenever a packet comes in, the module actually tells us the signal strength and the quality automatically. So all the Arduino has to do is grab those numbers and print them to the LCD. Alright, let's actually test it. Base stations set up right here. Arduino LCD LoRa module all plugged in and just sitting on the table. And this is the ESP32 on the power bank coming with me. Right next to it, the signal's about as strong as it will ever get. Quick word on the module itself, since this is the whole reason the range test is even interesting. This is a RYLR998 from REYAX technology. It's a LoRa module, which basically means it can send a small base of data over really long distances using a very little power without needing Wi-Fi or any kind of cellular connection at all. It talks over simple serial connection, so you just send it plain text commands and it handles all the radio stuff for you. That's actually why I picked it for this project. No complicated libraries, no fuss. REYAX sent me those modules to try out, and if you want to check out the RYLR998 or see their other wireless modules, I have put their site, that's reyax.com, in the description. They have got a pretty big range of stuff if LoRa isn't exactly what you need. So here the setup is ready, and you can see that the Arduino LCD and the LoRa module is plugged in and sitting on the table, and I'm with the ESP32 and the power bank walking away, and as a result you can see that the signal strength is increasing. This shows that I'm going far away, and as a result the dBm value is increasing, and the more I move away from it, the signal value is increasing more. And in this way we can just test that yes, the connection is already there and it's pinging, but the value is increasing with time. So this was just really a step one, showing that how the connection works. Next, in the next videos, I'm going to send real messages over this link instead of just a ping, controlling it straight from my phone using the Blink app. So if you want to see that, stick around, and the code and the wiring diagram are both in the description along with the link to REYAX if you want to grab your own modules. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.